You can buy the best chicks, you can vaccinate perfectly, you can feed premium feed, but if your water system is wrong, your business is bleeding silently. Today at Cholla Farm, we are not adding birds, we are correcting infrastructure, because water can either grow your profit or destroy it. This is where our tank was positioned, directly under a mango tree. Every time the wind blew, leaves filled the gutters. When it rained, debris flowed directly into the tank. Organic matter rots. Rotting matter breeds bacteria, and bacteria contaminate water. Many farmers don't notice this because the water looks clear, but clarity is not cleanliness, and poultry drink more water than feed. If your water is compromised, your bird's immunity is compromised. Instead of adjusting the old system, we decided to rebuild properly. A strong base is not about appearance, it's about durability. A weak foundation causes tank instability, cracks, contamination entry, and water loss. We started from scratch, measured, leveled, and reinforced. Infrastructure is capital protection. Every serious farm must invest in physical systems, not just birds. Before installing the new system, we had to clean thoroughly. Watch this, water draining completely, because partial cleaning is not cleaning. If your tank has biofilm, that slim layer inside, it protects bacteria from disinfectants. We also installed a tap. Previously, there was no tap. That meant buckets inside the tank, cross-contamination, poor workflow. A simple tap improves hygiene, efficiency, and labor control. Small upgrades, big impact. These small drums stores water for the birds daily. Many farms ignore these small containers, but bacteria multiply faster in small enclosed spaces. If your drum smells, your birds are at risk. Hygiene is not seasonal, it is daily discipline. I always say mortality begins with neglect and prevention begins with routine. When birds start dying, farmers panic. They call a vet, they change feed, they blame the hatchery. But few ask, is my water system clean? Clean water reduces gut infections, stress, medication costs, mortality rates. Clean water protects your margins. Infrastructure is not expensive, it is insurance. Okay, and the base is solid, the tank is clean, the tap is installed, the drums are sanitized. This is how we prepare before the first chick arrives. Not with excitement, with systems. Subscribe to Cholla Farm. 2026 is structured. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.